Hello, how are you today? I'm good, thank you, and I hope you're well also. Coming on quickly, really quickly, to say thank you to a couple of subscribers that has just made me smile. And basically, that's all that we want in life, isn't it? For people to interact and be able to come to a grounding where, you know, we make each other happy. Life is just extremely short, and it is nice to be nice. So without further ado, I'm going to crack on. I got this envelope from somebody, and I was absolutely chuffed when I received it. It's Michele, and she sent me this lovely card that she made by hand, and in it I have a note here which is private, and the card is lovely. Look at that, love it, so gentle and soft. It says, "Dear Jazzy, thank you very much for the gift I received from your recent giveaway. I love your videos, Michele." Oh, that is so lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Michele. And she's also sent me these. But first of all, I want to talk about this tissue paper. Isn't this absolutely amazing? Do you know, I've got to do something with this. You know, I've never been to Paris. I've always been quite interested in Paris, and I've been to France, but I've not been to Paris. And this is just amazing, really lovely. I'm definitely going to do something with it, and when I do, I will make a video. Beautiful, look at it. And it's so much of it, so much of it. So I'll definitely be doing something with that. Thank you so much, Michele. And she sent me some flowers. Look, all handmade flowers. They're beautiful. I've never tried making any flowers apart from the die cut little ones. These are just so beautiful and dimensional. They are. Oh, they're lovely, and the colors are beautiful. Pinks and purples, just up my street. So I love that. Thank you so much, Michele. Thank you. And I hope you have a lovely weekend and a great start to the new week coming ahead. Right, and this one, goodness me, look at this big package. Look at this. This is amazing. This is my happy mail for my lovely friend Denise. Sprogo Home and Away. Lovely. She did say that she was going to make me a loaded gift bag, and she kept to her word. So we'll quickly go through it. Oh, I'm so happy. When I first got it, I thought, oh, I don't want to open it because the package was so big. And it did make me smile. I was excited. So I eventually opened it and had a little peek through it, and then I emailed her to say thank you. But this is the big reveal. So first of all, I love this. Look at this wooden paper clip. It's come on loose a little bit, but I'm just gonna hot glue it back. It is lovely. I love that. That's for my planner, and I've just I know exactly what planner I'm going to use this for as well. And this, I love notepads. I really love notebooks, planners and organisers, and that's lovely. So that's for my goals, and I'm going to use this for all my household DIYs and jot them all down, so I'll keep track of everything that I'll be doing. So that's for my household It's got the rose gold writing on there. Then I have some bulldog clips, which is amazing. These are from Poundland. I do have some of these and they're really nice. Beautiful. They say I am very busy, dream big, like a boss, stay classy, and love your life. And these things, I love these wordings because they're so uplifting and inspiring. So much doom and gloom going on in the world that you've just got to keep really positive. And this is amazing. Look at this little envelope. Oh, this is lovely. I love that. And the notepad says today. Love that. And we've got a little envelope here. I'll just unseal quickly. And that's taped down with some washi tape. Lovely little envelope. Oh, look at the glitter inside. Look at the glitter paper. Oh, that's amazing, Denise. Thank you so much. Oh, I've got... Oh, these are lovely. I can use this for my shaker cards. Oh, that's love. Oh, I just love this envelope. I love this envelope. It's just beautiful. Look at the inside. Well done. And then, let's see what else we have. We have another envelope here, but that's to go with these. Oh, goodness me. So that's another notepad reminder that can go in the envelope, that little envelope. And I've got some washi tape, which is brilliant. It says sparkle. Oh, let's have a look. Let's see. I'm not quite sure if you can see that. I'm blind as a bat. Beautiful. Thank you, Denise. And these pens, lovely. Ballpoint classic zebra pens. And we've got a pencil set as well. And 2 pencils with the rubbers. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, the pencils says, a real woman is whoever she wants to be, and strong is the new, let's have a look, the new pretty. And this one says, real queens fix each other's crowns. So true. Got to stick together. You have to. Oh, love it. Just love it. So then we have, this is beautiful. And do you know what I like? I really like this. This is elasticated ribbon. Oh, this is amazing. I'll definitely be using this for something. I've got some picture frames that I want to alter and stuff to put on my walls. So I love that. Look. Oh, it says live your dream. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, I'm spoiled. Thank you so much. Oh, another one of those envelopes. Oh, it's got some lovely little tags. Hello, beautiful. Thank you. Oh, happy birthday for you. Love. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at the cherubs. And that's, oh, lovely. And I'm just mesmerized with the envelopes. They're beautiful, beautiful. And look at the trimming. Love that trimming. Oh, that's lovely. So happy. Thank you so much, my darling. And she's also made me a flip book. Oh my goodness me, look at all the work that's put into this. It says love, jazz it up, yay, let's go. This happened today. Well, it certainly did. You've put an absolute lovely smile on my face. Oh, beautiful. Forever. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, this is a lovely little journal. Happy Me on a Budget. Oh, this is beautiful for journal. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, I'm just speechless. Absolutely speechless. This is lovely. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, look. Oh, I'm definitely going to keep this for journal. That's me and your journal, Denise. Definitely. We'll be certainly keeping in touch. Oh, it's lovely. I'm just really happy. All that work put into that. Make every day count. That's right. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. Guitar. I love my music. We've got a pocket here. Oh, with some ribbon. Why, hello. And the ant side. Oh, I'm chuffed. I'm so chuffed. So chuffed. So chuffed. Shine bright. Oh, you've got some beautiful journaling cards. And this is another amazing pocket envelope. Oh, look. I'm in love with the envelope. Really, I am. Oh, you got this. These are beautiful, look. I've got some of these, but it's always nice to share. Oh, I'm just blown away, Denise. You didn't have to, but if it made you happy to do it, thank you so much. Beautiful. Baker's twine. Oh, I'm just speechless. I really am. And I've got a lovely little card as well. Oh, thinking of you. And I do too, Denise. I think of you all the time. Oh. It says to Jazzy, hope the loaded gift bag is received undamaged. Thanks for your support. Enjoy your videos and ideas. Hope you are doing okay. And this small token brightens up your day. Love and best wishes, Denise. Thank you so much. Look at that. Look at the birds. Beautiful. My battery's dying. Gotta say thank you. Absolutely made my day. And have a lovely weekend. Take care now. Bye.